What's up guys, welcome back to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today we're going to do something a little different for you, a full detail time-lapse set to some chill, relaxing music. Today we've got one of the KC Lights trucks in the shop, after it's been out overlanding, climbing dusty, dirty, rocky terrain, and getting a nice layer of debris and mud on it. So without further ado, Joey is going to get started on the wheels. He starts with the undercarriage using Signature Series Orange Degreaser, designed to safely remove the toughest dirt, grime, grease, and caked-on mud around the wheels and undercarriages. He's using it in conjunction with our long-handle green flag tip brush, which has super soft synthetic bristles, split for an extra gentle touch. After a quick rinse, we move to the tires, again with Orange Degreaser on the tire, this time paired with our blue Stiffy brush, which really works in the product and uplifts all that dirt from the rubber. He follows up on the face of the wheel with Sticky Citrus Wheel Gel and a variety of brushes to get into those intricate details. First, the red Rocket to get into the spokes and barrel, a green flag tip brush for the face, and a boar's hair detailing brush for the lug nuts, brake calipers, and other intricate details. If you would like a more in-depth lesson about wheel cleaning, we have several on our channel. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the wheels. Next up, Joey fills the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon with the Tough Mudder off-road truck and ATV heavy-duty wash shampoo. Tough Mudder is the ultimate off-road vehicle wash that safely removes stuck-on dirt and sand while leaving behind a layer of sealant that makes it harder for fresh mud to stick to the surface. He's going to foam the car up with the cannon, insert his dirt traps into his 2-bucket method, activate the soap, dip in his chenille microfiber wash mitt, and then start to scrub the truck, making sure to periodically soak, squeegee, and re-soap his mitt. It's a big truck, so I stepped in quick and helped him out for a bit. After a quick rinse, Joey used a combination of the ProGlow and Woolly Mammoth drying towel to quickly and softly remove any leftover moisture from the surface of the truck. The ProGlow is a great way to achieve a touch-free dry. Where touch is necessary, the Woolly Mammoth is a huge microfiber towel that can hold up to 1 gallon of water, so he only needed one of them to tackle the entire Rubicon. If you want to feel even more relaxed, check out our brand new Woolly Mammoth robe. Made from the same soft, plush microfiber, you can treat your body as well as you treat your car. Onto the interior. First, Joey pulls the floor mats and treats them with Matte Renew rubber and vinyl floor mat cleaner and protectant, which quickly cleans and restores rubber floor mats back to original condition without any greasy or slippery feel and look. This will break down and release dirt, oil, grease, grime, and food residue, and protect the mats against cracking and fading. There was some really stuck-on dirt on the mat, so he gives it a second pass with the boar's hair detailing brush, which helps get into those little grooves. Speaking of grooves, enjoy watching the rest of the mats get cleaned while listening to this jam. For the doors, Joey busted out some nonsense, colorless and odorless all-purpose super cleaner. In conjunction with the boar's hair detailing brush, you can clearly see the foaming and cleaning action on the door. After wiping off the residue with a Workhorse microfiber towel, he applies a thin layer of Silk Shine dressing using a microfiber applicator to finish the door with that low shine factory look and protect it from fading in the sun, thanks to its UVA and UVB blockers. Silk Shine also works on your dashboard, tires, and plastic trim pieces. just like that, we are done and ready to reveal our work to the owner. If you enjoyed this video, tag that like button real quick and comment down below if this style video made you feel good and you want to see more just like it. Subscribe and turn on post notifications to be alerted every time we post a new video. And as always, you can pick up any products you saw in today's video at chemicalguys.com or stop by your local detail garage location. See you next time.
Love it! A whole lot of work later. Heck yeah! Looks good, right?
Dude, it looks like we didn't even do anything to it. I love it.
A nice deep clean in there. We put some bare bones on it.
I like it. It's clean, bro. Now it's time to go and take it out and throw some more dirt on it.
How we do it. All right.